Hello everyone, I'm Professor Lee of Dr. Wild Love TV. The nickname Fantasia of is almost always an exaggeration, but there are of that can be called true Fantasias. It is the oil of black cumin seeds. It is an oil extracted from the seeds of Ranunculaceae family annual plant, which has been used for edible and medicinal purposes for over 3,000 years, including in ancient Egypt. The scientific name is Nigella sativa. It is cultivated in highland over 1,000 meter high. It's about 20 to 30 centimeter tall, has finely split leaves, has 5 to 10 petals, and has really beautiful pale blue or white flowers. I plan to get seeds this year and try growing them in a high mountain. When the flowers fall, a large convex fruit matures and contains many seeds, which are called black cumin. It was also found in the tomb of Tutankhamen in ancient Egypt. In Hadith, the second scripture of Islam, Muhammad, the founder of Islam, says, "Crush 5 to 7 grains to make oil and pour a few drops into the nose of the sick person. It can cure all disease except death." All of these records have been proven to be true in clinical control studies. Let's see if it really is a panacea. Let me summarize the result of clinical studies published so far. However, there are so many clinical studies that I only briefly introduce them. Diabetes, high blood pressure, hyperlipidemia, arteriosclerosis, cardiovascular disease, diabetic complications, metabolic syndrome, obesity, fatty liver, chronic digestive disorder, hepatitis C, hypothyroidism, chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, knee arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, breast pain, allergic rhinitis, bronchitis, asthma, male infertility, sperm number, motility, and male hormones, acne, atopic eczema, psoriasis, vitiligo, anxiety, poor memory, poor concentration, anti-cancer drug side effects, radiation treatment side effects. It really is a true panacea, right? If you use it really well, this is proof that you can become healthy from your head to your toes with just this one thing. From now on, I'll explain how to use it, so please listen carefully. 1. Traditional medical decoction method. The most important active component, cymoquinone, is not water soluble. Even if boiled with water, it is not extracted well and may be destroyed by high heat. Its volatile properties and may evaporate when heated. Therefore, take it as an oil. 2. You can take it as seed powder. However, oil has a higher absorption rate than powder, and the effect appears stronger and faster. In conclusion, the correct way to use it is to take it as an oil, and the recommended daily dose is 1 to 2 cc. 1. Oil capsules. Take the recommended amount of the product. 2. Oil tea. Add about 1 cc of oil to 250 cc of boiling water and stir well for 5 to 10 minutes and take. 3. Use oil in food. Use 1 to 2 cc in salad or various dishes. Now, let's actually enjoy the scent and taste of black cumin. This is a Turkish product purchased online. Above the English name, çörek otu, is the Turkish name for black cumin. Turkey is one of the countries in the world that consumes the most black cumin oil. It is also one of the countries with a lot of cultivation. The daily dose is 1 to 2 cc, while C is about 1.5 cc. It has a fragrant and slightly tangy scent. It is a dark yellow color, but those containing more active component have a more orange color. I tried drinking oil tea first. Drop 1 to 1.5 cc of oil into hot water, stir well, and then eat. Let's have a taste. It has a fragrant scent with a very mild scent of pepper as well. It is a combination of slightly bitter, tangy, and slightly spicy flavors. Even after drinking it, the tangiest taste remains. Now, how to use salad. This method is much better than old tea. This time of year, salt sarsaparilla is very good. It's a plant that grows naturally in salt soil near mud flats and logs on beaches across the country. It is a biannual plant and it is characterized by its thin leaves. It is a nutritious wild herb and has several beneficial effects. There are no clinical studies yet, and most are the result of animal studies. 1. Antihypertensive action through calcium blocking and diuretic action. 2. Anti-obesity effect. 3. Anti-diabetic effect. It is in seasonal vegetable in the winter, in season from November to April. It contains salt, so you don't need to season it with salt. When you eat it raw, it has a subtle sea scent, it is crunchy, and is really soft and delicious. I'll mix about 1.5 cc of black cumin oil with a little balsamic dressing. This is a salt sarsaparilla characterized by thin leaves, and it is really fresh. Then pour the prepared dressing and mix well. There is no need for salt as it has salt content. Let's eat it now. Wow! It has a subtle scent of sea, and it's crunchy, and it's really soft and delicious. So, it is a vegetable that even children eat well. It's truly a new delicious flavor. The balsamic dressing covers up all other flavors, but I can feel the black cumin's oils of very mild bitterness, a very mild spicy herbal scent, and it feels really nice. Be sure to try it. Black cumin oil, a true panacea herb. Use it in various dishes. I hope your whole family will be healthier this year. If you want to use black cumin for medicinal purposes, you need to know several precautions. About how to use and precautions of black cumin, the title was Top 10 Proven to be Effective Against Hyperlipidemia. Part 3 lecture video is uploaded. I sincerely hope this helps you a lot.